What's good, everybody? Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween 2018. Today's makeup look, we are obviously doing this Marilyn Monroe, Andy Warhol creation. So I'm just going to jump right into it. We're going to start with a water-activated purple paint. Well, I guess it's purple. It's more like a mauve color, but you get the picture. We're going to paint our entire face, neck, body, ears, all of it. Make sure it's covered in this mauve pink purple color. If there is a tip that I could give you right off the bat is to always have your reference picture right next to you. For me, it's right on the table that I'm working at. I'm always looking at it for reference so I know what colors and which placement to put everything in this makeup transformation. So go ahead and finish painting your entire body and jump to a cream color paint. This is the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and I'm using that turquoise color to put in our eyeshadow. Cover all of your lid, and it kind of comes back into a cat eye point on the edge of your eye. Then throw on some liner and mascara and lashes, and we are ready to start really digging into this makeup look. Remember that pop art is very deliberate in its shadows and its blending. There's not really a lot of blending anywhere here, and the shadows are always going to have such a high contrast from highlight to shadow. So I'll show you what I mean in just a second. After we throw on these lashes, for the eyebrows, I am taking into account Marilyn Monroe's actual eyebrow shape. They're very angular and they're very thin, so go ahead and use a dark brow shade and make those as thin as possible and use your reference picture to get the shape correct. Alright, now let's jump to the shadows. I'm going to start here on the nose, and again looking at my reference picture and seeing exactly where the light and shadows hit on this portrait. So underneath the nose, there is some sort of a shadow cast, so I'm just making those very deliberate strokes underneath my nose, and then using a black eyeshadow to put in the contour in my face. Make sure you don't go overboard and saturate it where it's most necessary, directly under the cheekbone and most definitely under the chin. For the lips, I am just setting down a red base. This is just a red liquid lip color, and then I'm going to use the same eyeshadows right on top of it because there are some dark shadows cast onto the lips if you look at the reference photo. The shadows go on the edge of the lip. There's one right in the middle of the lip, and then on the opposite end on top of the lip. Now comes the fun part, throwing on that Marilyn Monroe wig. So this is just a short wig that I had styled and sprayed completely neon yellow. I'm going to go in with a water-activated black paint and put in a few of those shadows and then finish it off with a black spray paint, and be very, very careful where you spray this black because it ain't going to come out. Once all the black shadows are put into the hair, you're about done. Just zhuzh it up a little. You can paint your entire body if you would like. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Be sure to check in tomorrow to see what else we got cooking. See you guys.